Today I'm going to review this XOOL hole puncher.
The product includes an instruction manual, a ruler, a grinding rod, a screwdriver, a backup brass pad, and a professional punch plier.
The hole puncher is designed with two different lever systems, which will make it effortless when it comes time to punch the hole. It's also composed of a high quality steel material so that it lasts a very long time and is very durable. Next, it has a non-stick handle, so you can see this nice texture on the handle here, which will make it very easy to hold, and it will make it less likely for your hand to slip as well.
There are 6 different settings for the hole puncher.
The range is from 2 millimeters to 4.5 millimeters.
The hole puncher can be used on leather products.
For example, putting a hole in a belt that has become too big. So first, we can measure the distance between each hole.
And we'll use the grinding rod to make a mark where we would like to make the hole.
Next, we can take our hole puncher and align it correctly on top of that mark that we made. And then we can press down. We've made our hole.
The hole puncher can be used on cardboard and also on harder materials such as plastic. For brittle materials, include a piece of cardboard to help smoothen out your edges. The grinding rod can be used to smoothen out edges and also to remove material that gets stuck inside of the hole punch. The brass pad can be removed with a screwdriver and a replacement is included. Turn the punching head into a neutral position and employ the handle lock to store your tool.